While maintaining your floors, it's important to follow the proper procedures to ensure the highest quality of floor care. The following video will take you through the procedures step by step. First, it's important to make sure you have all the proper equipment. For scrub and recoat, you will need a mop bucket with wringer, cotton blend mop, blue or green scrubbing pads, wet and dry vacuum, wet floor signs, baseboard edging tool, Triple S general purpose cleaner, single disc rotary floor machine, 175 to 300 RPM or automatic scrubber, gloves, and safety glasses. Prior to any floor maintenance procedure, it is important to prep the area. This includes removing any furniture, vacuuming and removing mats, and removing any stickers or gum, putting caution signs in place, and dust mopping. Tape all doorways to prevent solution from seeping into adjoining areas. Before using any chemicals, wear protective glasses and gloves. Read the label on all chemicals and take the recommended safety precautions. For additional information, read the product MSDS. Prepare solution based on label directions. Fill bucket with clean, cool water and add proper amount of cleaner to water or dispense from a dilution control proportioning system. Read label directions for proper dilution. Beginning furthest from the door, apply cleaning solution by placing the mop in the bucket. Get the mop completely wet with cleaning solution. Do not wring out the mop. Apply cleaning solution very liberally on the floor in a 10-foot by 10-foot area and allow it to stand according to the label instructions, typically 3 to 5 minutes. Do not let the floor dry. Apply more solution to areas that happen to dry. For edges and corners, wet the baseboard edging tool with cleaning solution and clean edges and corners. Once the floor edges have been cleaned, begin the machine cleaning with a green or blue pad. Pass over an area 3 to 4 times, overlapping with each pass. The cleaning solution will cause the floor to be slippery. Walk in areas where you have scrubbed. It'll be less slippery in those areas. Avoid splattering baseboards. Check the floor pad every 300 square feet for finish buildup or wear. Flip the pad or change the pad when it fills up or becomes worn. After scrubbing each area, use a squeegee to pull chemical solution away from walls and tight areas. Then pick up the soiled cleaning solution with a wet vac or auto scrubber. A wet vac with a front-mounted squeegee will speed the process. Removing the cleaning solution residue is important before applying floor finish. If you don't remove the cleaning solution residue, you may have problems with the floor finish adhering to the floor. Rinse the area with clean, cool water. Wring out the mop gently. Use a clean mop for this step. Pick up the water with a wet vac or auto scrubber. Using an automatic scrubber to scrub the floor and rinsing with vacuum pickup will reduce the time to complete the task and get the floor back into use faster. Once floor is dry, run your hand over the floor in several areas. If a white residue shows up on the glove, then rinse the floor until all residue is gone. Once floor is dry, your floor is now ready for floor finish. See the video on applying floor finish and sealer for application procedures. Immediately clean up equipment at the conclusion of the procedure. All buckets and wringers must be thoroughly washed and rinsed. All mops must be thoroughly rinsed and hung to dry, away from the walls. All other equipment is either washed or wiped down and stored in the proper location. When you are finished, wash hands and dry thoroughly.